All right, so hot hatches are back, and we've got a Hyundai i30N here in the Whiteline workshop today, courtesy of 01 Graphics. So we're going to fit up our new KCA 478 offset strut tops, some KTA 281s, which are our rear adjustable tow arms, and a KDT 973, which is the heavy-duty motorsport pitch stop mount. Put that all together with the Whiteline sway bars, end links, and the lowering springs that are in this car, and it's going to be one really cool handling package. So there you have it, guys. We've fitted all the components, we've wheel lined it, and we've taken it for a road test. So to give you a quick rundown, what we've fitted is rear adjustable tow arms, front and rear lowering coils, we've fitted an anti-lift kit, front and rear anti-roll bars, front and rear heavy duty drop links, and we've fitted the offset top mounts to the front struts. We've seen gains of up to about a degree of negative camber, in fact just a little bit over, and up to about 3/4 of a degree of positive caster. The thing is absolutely on rails, so it's official. Hot hatches are back, and Whiteline has the components to activate more grip in your i30N. So for more information, check out whiteline.com.au.